Welcome to AAA Trading YouTube channel, where we help you navigate the confusing world of using and withdrawing your bonus. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the rules? We feel your worries and know exactly how you feel, and that's why we're here to break it down for you in simple terms. In this video, we'll provide you with clear explanations and practical tips to help you make the most of your bonus. So stay tuned and let us guide you towards a better understanding of how to use and withdraw your bonus effectively. In AAA trading, there are two rewards collectively referred to as coupons, which are cash bonus and cashback. The first one is cash bonus. Cash bonus cannot be withdrawn directly, but can be used for trading immediately. The profits earned after completing the first deposit can be withdrawn. Surprisingly, you can withdraw $5 from cash bonus for each lot traded. The more trades, the more cash. Suppose you have $500 in your trading account and you receive a 20 cash bonus. This means that your account balance will increase to $520, allowing you to trade with a higher margin and improve the ability to resist risks. If you trade one lot and make a profit of $100, you can withdraw all the profit after making your first deposit. Surprisingly, you can also get $5 from 20 cash bonus, which will be automatically added to your trading account. Yes, you actually made a profit of $105. Then let's talk about cashback. The cashback cannot be used for trading directly, nor can it be withdrawn immediately. But after trading one lot, the cashback will be redeemed for corresponding cash for trading and withdrawal. Here are the redemption rules. You can redeem your cashback according to these rules. To redeem the cashback, you need to go to the Me Cashback section on the platform. With our clear understanding of the distinctions and applications of cash bonus and cashback, we can now explore the methods for acquiring them, along with various other rewards that can be obtained during trading. To start trading, the initial step is to open a live account. Upon opening a live account, we'll give you a $50 cashback reward plus an additional $20 cash bonus to help you get started. You can start trading right away without making a deposit by using the $20 cash bonus. In order to enhance your risk resistance ability, it is a better choice to trade after making a deposit. And there are surprise rewards waiting for you when you make a deposit. If you deposit more than $100, you will receive $15 cash bonus. And here's the cherry on top. Our recharge activity offers rewards up to 40% cash bonus and double cashback for your first deposit. The more you deposit, the more rewards you'll receive. And to make sure you feel confident in trading, we offer loss insurance. If your cumulative losses exceed $10, you will receive a loss insurance cash bonus of $10. You do not have to worry excessively about trading as a result. So don't be afraid, just start your trading confidently. Then, after trading, you can also publish your trade order for others to follow. Trust me, you are willing to do it. Never trade alone again, start building your following. For each order made on your trade order, you will receive a bonus of 50 cents cash back upon closing. With a maximum per order limit of $100 cash back and the chance to rank on the daily profit leaderboard, where the higher your ranking, the higher your bonus reward, you've got nothing to lose. Above all, these are some of the bonuses you can receive while trading. Besides, you can get more rewards by joining AAA community and filling out questionnaires. By joining a community, you'll receive a cashback reward of $5 per community. And once you complete a questionnaire, you will receive $30 cash back. Don't miss out on the chance to earn more. In order to maximize your cash rewards, it is important to understand the rewards available in the market and how to strategically use them. Following the steps outlined in this guide will help you leverage your bonus opportunities and achieve your trading goals. By having the right knowledge and approach in online trading, you can gain an edge over your competition. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video informative and valuable in your trading journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on trading and finance. Good luck with your trades.